It is interesting to note that value stocks had started outperforming their growth peers ever since the pandemic started in 2020. However, I must point out that the last few months have in fact belonged to the growth stocks, and the growth story seems to be making a comeback. This is not just an India equity phenomenon, but abroad as well, that I have seen the value versus growth indices. So let's also address how things are shaping up, which way is the pendulum going to tilt towards. As far as the value underperformance is concerned, the Nifty Value Index has underperformed the Nifty Growth Index not only for the last week but during the last month itself. Value stocks have snapped their 5-week outperforming streak, and value stocks have also underperformed the most since the week of 18th April this year. Value stocks underperformed the most on a monthly basis since Feb 2021, and value stocks have also underperformed 3 out of the last 4 months, which means that growth is slowly making a comeback, and that is visible in the price performance as well. If you have a look at the Nifty Value Index over the last 3 months, it has returned 6.5% positive, while Nifty Growth has surged more than 8%. On a YTD basis and on a 1-year basis, the picture is exactly the reverse. The Nifty Value has surged about 17.5% this year, while the Nifty Growth has surged a little over 9%. In the last 1 year, Nifty Value has surged about 55%, while Growth Index has surged about 43%. So this, exactly captures the essence that I'm trying to bring out, which is that the growth stocks are making a comeback. Now, individual indices and how their stocks have performed over the last 1 month, let's address that. The Nifty Value Index, 11 out of the 20 stocks have declined in the last 1 month. JSW Steel has been the rank underperformer, 7% decline. ONGC 5.5% decline. Hindalco 4.5% decline, along with UPL as well, which has declined more than 4%, and Hero Motocorp also declining more than 4% in the last 1 month. Lastly, talking about the growth stocks index, which is the Nifty Growth Index, 10 out of the 15 stocks have gained in the last 1 month. So you can clearly see, how the stocks are shaping up. Individual stocks, Apollo Hospitals has been the one which has outperformed the most, more than 10% gain. Dabur and HUL from the FMCG pack, 6 to 8% gain for those, and Dr. Reddy's along with Divi's Labs has surged more than 6%, representing the pharma pack. Lastly, you have Maruti, which has also managed to gain about 5% in the last 1 month. So clearly, data shows that growth stocks seem to be coming back as compared to their value peers.